In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a trend line and its slope equation in Google Sheets. This is a powerful feature for anyone looking to analyze data trends, whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone interested in understanding data patterns. Let's dive right into the process. First off, you'll need to prepare your data set in Google Sheets. Make sure your data is organized properly, with your X values in one column and your Y values in another, so that Google Sheets can easily interpret and plot it. Once your data is ready, you won't actually need to select it right away. Instead, head over to the Google Sheets toolbar at the top and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Chart. Go ahead and click on that. This action will automatically open the chart editor on the right side of your screen, and you'll notice your data has now been turned into a chart. By default, it might not be the chart type you need, so let's change that. In the chart editor, locate the section where it says Chart Type. Click on it, and a list of various chart types will drop down. Here, you'll want to select Scatter Chart. This type of chart is ideal for displaying and analyzing the relationship between two variables, which is exactly what we need for a trend line. Now that you've got your scatter chart in place, let's move on to the next step. Still in the chart editor, there are two main tabs, Setup and Customize. Click on the Customize tab to access more detailed options for your chart. Once you're in the Customize tab, look for the section labeled Series. This is where you can refine the data series displayed on your chart. Within the Series section, you'll notice several checkboxes and drop-down options. Find the checkbox that says Trendline and go ahead and check it. As soon as you do that, you'll see a smooth line appear across your data points, indicating the trend line. The trend line visually represents the general direction in which your data is heading, making it easier to interpret complex data sets at a glance. We're nearly there. To reveal the equation of that trend line, which is essential for understanding the slope, look for another drop-down menu within the Series section. This drop-down is labeled Label. Click on it, and a list of options will pop up. From these options, choose Use Equation. And just like that, the equation, including the slope, will appear on your chart. This equation tells you the slope of the trend line and allows for a deeper understanding of the relationship between your variables. And there you have it. In just a few quick steps, you've added a trend line and its slope equation to your data in Google Sheets. This is a great tool for better data visualization and gaining insights into your data's story. Thanks for watching.